Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Well, as you can see, we've been trolling for trash again, and this time we have a Craftsman table saw that I rescued from the landfill. Or I suppose it's more accurate to say I rescued it from being sent to the landfill. At any rate, here it is. I picked it up and brought it home and soon realized that it was missing the rip fence and the blade guard. So I went back the next day and was able to find the rip fence, was not able to find the blade guard, and I found the table. The nice gentleman across the street from where it was put out helped me load everything up. So I was able to get it all home okay. Well, it has some obvious issues. The base of this thing is made out of some kind of plastic, which seems kind of unfortunate to me. But anyway, it is what it is. The price was right. It looks like Godzilla took a hold of this thing and ripped the table off of the stand. So I'll have to see if I can repair that. So let the disassembly begin. Might as well spruce it up a little bit and make it look halfway decent. Let's see if we can straighten out these bent pieces. Now the hardware goes into the vinegar bath. I think I left them there for about 3 days. And now for a coat of black paint. Okay, so here's the stand reassembled. Now I've got to figure out some way to make it movable. I have to be able to move tools around in my limited workspace. I just don't have any other choice, so we will see what I can come up with. I'm going to try to make do with what I have on hand. First of all, I need 4 casters with brakes, because I have to be able to easily move the thing around. I happen to have 4 casters with brakes, but they are not threaded stemmed casters, so I'm going to use what I have on hand. The end result is going to look kind of dorky actually, but for my purposes it's going to have to do. The brakes have to be accessible from all angles, so you'll see what I mean in a minute. I'm trying not to spend any money on this thing until I decide whether I'm really going to use it or not. If I decide that it's going to be useful to me, then maybe I will take these off and get me some stemmed casters with brakes on them. Until then, these are going to have to do. Well, that's it for part 1, so be sure to tune in for part 2. Until then, thanks for watching.